your real estate deal of the day. This is the property that made me consider selling my condo and actually purchasing this property. For a 4-bedroom, single-level home, you will never find one at this price. Not with this view, not with the 12-foot ceilings, not with the glass wall looking into the 2-car garage when you walk in. Single-level home, indirect lighting throughout. You open the giant, say it's a 12-foot door. It needs 2 people to push it, or at least that's what it looks like. You enter the property, you have indirect lighting on the roof. You close the door, you look to your right, and it is a beautiful glass wall where you can look at your 2 G-Wagons. Or your 2 Lamborghinis, your 2 Ferraris, your Ferrari and your Porsche, your Range Rover and your Harley. Whatever it is, whatever is your flavor. And then, like I said, as you enter, it has indirect lighting everywhere throughout the property. And this is not an extra additional upgrade that you have to pay for like you would at Carencia, Coronado, or any of these other places. Everything is included in this. You get all the indirect lighting, you get the glass wall, private swimming pool, the jacuzzi, the kids area, the water feature, 12-foot ceilings, the fireplace, onyx, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. However, these are fully customizable. If you guys want to do something else, we still have time to do it. Now these are going to be finished quite quickly, January-ish, but at that time, guys, these aren't going to be 2.3. These are going to be 3.2 million. You get in now, you've got about $1 million in equity. And this is the time to buy right now. Once October's over, prices start shooting up. Mark my words. You guys can check me on everything I've always said in the past. I'm always right. I know my shit. You guys want to view this, call me anytime, and I would love to show you this property, as it is amazing. Absolutely amazing. I forgot to mention, we got 3 years of financing on this where we can carry $600K. I can explain the terms if you'd like as well. If you're a real estate agent, you know your boy has the biggest buy inside bonuses. So hit up your boy, and not just for this property, for all my properties. Look at my listings. We've got like $60 million in listings. Read the private notes. And some people call me the Robin Hood of real estate. And that's because I'm really good with a bow and arrow. Ta-ding! I'll see you on the next one.